Well, welcome to season 2 of the Turkeyologist. We fixing to start out with the first hunt of 2015. We got some good action coming to you this year.
Hey, you know, something we did different this year. You know, last year we a couple of years back said it was like 2012, 2013. But this is this past season's turkey.
The whole season, starting in March in Florida all the way through Montana.
Exactly, and that's what we're fixing to start with. Jamie, one of our sponsors, Sumter Sod, Earl Walker, and Chip.
Yeah, Chip Block. He owns Sumter Sod, and they invited me to get in the truck with them and run the camera, and we actually took off on a trip to Florida. Got in the truck and headed down there, and I mean, it was a blast.
We're all a little jealous because Jamie got to get in the turkey woods a little early.
Yep. Well, it's March the 6th, a little after lunchtime. I done got up with Earl Walker and Mr. Chip, and we fixing to head to Arcadia to try to kill some Osceola birds. So hang in here with us. We fixing to hit the road, about a 6-hour ride. Got Earl in the truck.
What's up, guys?
Got Mr. Chip in the truck.
Hello, hello.
So hang with us for the ride. We'll be there shortly.
The Coach Zero F-250 got us to Tampa so far. Been a good day. The crew's been good. Our co-drivers aren't worth much, but otherwise, Coach Zero F-250 got us this far.
I mean, you can tell these guys, they got down there and they were a little delirious from that drive.
Yeah, it was. We didn't leave till that afternoon and got down there later on that night because it's like a 7.5-hour ride getting down there. I go in the bathroom and I come out and Earl, he's full camo with a
face mask and everything.
He's ready to go turkey hunting.
I've been sitting here since 2 a.m. I cannot wait to kill an Osceola. Let's go. Come on, Jamie. Well, it's 4:30 in the morning and we're waiting on Chip again. Waiting on Chip. Waiting on Chip.
Well, after we get up early that morning and get everything together, everybody's ready to roll. 2015 turkey season is about to start. We are excited like it's Christmas morning. Well, we get to the hunting club to meet the guys where we're going to meet them at, and there's a few more people hunting the land than I thought it was going to be. So they put us out in this area, and I think we're gar-holed from the bat. Man, it is thick as could be. Ain't hearing no turkeys gobble at daylight. So I pulled up my phone, look at the maps, look around, see what I can find. There's a field probably 200 yards away. We head towards that field, set up on the edge, and all I know is deer are just coming out from everywhere. Well, we're sitting in this field set up watching these deer. I make a few calls, a turkey gobbles. He seems like he's 500 yards away. I cut at them, they gobble again, and if you ever Osceola hunt, they are on the run, and here they come. I see him. Well, still thinking we're kind of gar-holed, heard turkey's way off. Next thing I know, there's 3 longbeards in our lap. Next thing you know, these turkeys are right on top of us, and I told Earl before we got to Florida, Osceolas just run. It seems like everywhere they go. They have run slam right past us, and now they're gone, it seems like. We have to turn around and try to get set up on them again, and let's just see what happens.
We wanted to design a broadhead that was different, that was tougher. A broadhead that didn't sacrifice penetration due to cutting diameter. A fixed and expandable broadhead with field point accuracy. What we came up with was more than we ever imagined. 3 choices, 1 devastating result. Bipolar broadheads, truly the best of both worlds.
When it comes to timber management, let Country Boys Logging handle your needs. Whether it is commercial timber services or habitat improvement, Country Boys Logging uses a wide variety of equipment and methods to ensure maximum profit. They also ensure a good, clean job when finished to create a good site for regenerated growth or replanting of new timber. For consultations or having your timber taken care of the right way, call Country Boys Logging.
You are a deer hunter and you love new antler new sunrises, new bucks. This ain't your granddaddy's scent company. There's something new in the woods. Bucks and beard scents.
At Lakulu Safaris, we offer big game hunting, plains game hunting, and focus 100% on you, the client. Lakulu Safaris also offers upland bird hunting, photographic safaris, and now tiger fishing. For a Southern Africa experience second to none, dare to dream with Lakulu Safaris. This segment of The Turkeyologist is brought to you by Landmark.com, Land Investment Opportunities. H&H Timber Company, for all your timber and land management needs.
Well, we made an adjustment, set back up on these turkeys, and it looks like it might just work for us.
Now look at that. There you go. Now, look, the damn cows scared the turkeys. You gotta be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. What are you talking, Jamie? There you go. They don't get on this other side of this fence. Watch this.
They're gonna come right down the road.
Yeah.
Or either they're gonna come right down the fence with them. Or either the cows are just gonna put it to us.
Next thing I look out there, I got deer coming in front of us again, getting between us and the turkeys. And then, looks like bonanza. All of a sudden, here comes a herd of cows right towards the decoys.
Can you believe those cows are standing right there?
See where it goes.
Chip, you're going to shoot one straight out.
I know.
I ain't going to have a shot.
I'll be shooting over here.
They're gonna come to the road.
Yeah.
And they're gonna walk right down the road.
When they clear, I'm gonna turn.
Yeah.
Let that last one get in there.
Alright, I get the first one, you get the last one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. As soon as that
Look.
one goes in the woods right there, I'm gonna
Hey,
turn.
y'all turn towards that big opening to the right.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
there, they're going back. They're going back down the thing.
You going what?
I'm going back down the fence line.
Other way?
They ain't coming down the road.
I went through.
They're fishing to go through. Okay.
Yeah, I saw
I
one.
didn't. It was on the side of the fence.
One went through.
No, they didn't. I can see the fence and all good on this camera.
We're going through now. You go through right then.
Yeah. I want to see if they're gonna come this way.
Well, we got to turn.
I know. But
There's still one bird right there. I see. See his tail.
Yeah. He ain't going
Yeah, he's staying over here. Ain't he?
in.
I can't stand it. He's coming now.
Oh yeah, he's gonna come right down the fence line. We'll just keep it on him.
He wants to die today.
Yeah, thank you.
There he goes. Now he went through the fence. See him going through the
That's
fence?
just it.
I'll turn. Look, block me over.
All right.
Yeah, they can.
Well, finally these turkeys commit and they're coming into us. One, he decides to come under the fence, and I'm thinking everything's fixing to work out. And I don't know what's going on, but we're all just talking loud like we're in a bar or something. It ain't even turkey hunting. I don't see how we got away with it when I went back and watched the footage, but it all pans out.
Here come the turkeys. Here come the turkeys.
Down the road?
Yeah, here they come. See?
Yeah, just let them come in.
All right.
Just wait till they come in. I'll tell you when to shoot. Then keep it with you.
Right.
ain't got a good video yet. So I'm coming on with that deer. So I'm coming. I'll tell you when. Come on.
Well, all these turkeys are coming up the road, and I feel like we're fixing to double up. Then all of a sudden, one of them breaks off and goes towards the decoy. With us talking loud, he knows something's up. I tell Earl he needs to turn around and shoot him.
We can't turn. You got to leave him?
Can you kill the one up there?
Can you kill it, Jeff?
To the left, to the left.
Kill the one on over here on the
In
left.
the field.
In the field.
I got the one in the room.
No, don't.
Okay. I can't turn.
The one in the field.
We can't turn one.
You got him?
Yeah, just turn on and kill him.
You ready?
Yeah. We'll kill him, Nobby.
Let's don't let him jump up. I'm gonna shoot him again.
No, don't shoot him again. He ain't going nowhere. Just run out there to him like you're supposed to.
Well, if you have a turkey hunt with Earl, it is entertainment the whole way, man. He will kill a turkey however he has to kill him. And once he killed that turkey, he didn't think he was dead. He was wanting to shoot him 2 or 3 more times, and I was calling him off of him. He was wanting to just beat him down. He was just glad to kill a turkey, it seemed like.
Step on his head. Earl, look at it. What you think?
Hey, Paul, I didn't miss.
Deer coming up. Watch this jump. Look at the deer behind me.
It's March 7th, 2015. Me and Earl and Mr. Chip and something besides, they called me up, wanted to know if I'd come down here with them turkey hunting in Arcadia, Florida. So we made the trip down here. It's opening morning, and we done scored on the bird. We've had some good entertainment. We probably had 7 birds come in. I've called up about 18 deer, probably, what, 50 cow? I mean, everything's working good this morning. They're really responding to the calls, deer, the cows, and the turkeys. So it's been a good trip so far. But
Turkeyology, baby. South Florida.
At Landmark.com, we specialize in Georgia timberland, farm, waterfront, and recreational properties. With over 40 years of real estate and a forestry experience, our agents can help you locate the best property to meet your needs. We have beautiful hunting properties with all types of wildlife habitat and country estates with bold water features. Our properties also are managed with the hunter in mind. At Landmark.com, we can unlock the gate to your dream property.
It's your move. Will you be ready? With Knight's Hands-Free Hunting Vest, you're always ready. Designed for the run and gun hunter, Knight's Hands-Free Hunting Vest keeps your gun in the ready position at all times, freeing up your hands for more important things while totally eliminating gun fatigue. So go ahead, take your turkey hunting to the next level. Well played, sir. Well played. Knight's Hands-Free Hunting Vest, available right now at KnightsHuntingProducts.com.
TurkeyFan.com. Changing the way you hunt. TurkeyFan.com. Built to film the action. Mimic the natural movement of a strutting tom, triggering aggressive territorial behavior. Bring them running for in-your-face, heart-pounding action. Take your hunt from a game of yards to a game of inches. Get one at TurkeyFan.com.
Sinclair Powersports specializes in all your off-road vehicle needs, whether it is new or used. Sinclair Powersports carries Polaris, Can-Am, and Sea-Doo, so you be sure to find what you want at a price you cannot refuse. Their knowledgeable and courteous staff is there for all your service needs. So visit Sinclair Powersports online or at 3601 North Columbia Street, Milledgeville, Georgia.
This segment of The Turkeyologist is brought to you by Bipolar Broadheads, the best of both worlds. Tawalaga Tom Taker Turkey Calls, nothing but beards and spurs. Well, you know, I'm sitting in Georgia. Jamie's sending me pictures of dead turkeys 2 weeks before our season comes in. I was kind of jealous. Looked like a good trip.
Man, it was a good way to start the season off. But you know, next weekend, Anthony heads out to Mississippi on his annual trip.
Yeah, they do it every year. I think they've been doing it for about 4 years, and they've had 1 year where they had bad weather and didn't kill a bird. But, you know, it looks like this year they're going to have bad weather again. But, you know,
well, let's see what happened for them this year.
Anthony always seems to pull something out of that.
All right, folks. Well, it is that time of year, believe it or not. We're headed to one of my favorite places to turkey hunt, and that is at White Oaks Plantation in Mississippi. And let me tell you something, that is just top-notch accommodations. They really do a great job managing the land. Bunch of deer, bunch of turkey. Unfortunately, last year, the turkeys had our number because we just didn't get on a bird, I don't think. But we're back at it this year. We're excited that turkey season is right around the corner. We're going to get there a day early, so we're hopefully going to scout some tomorrow. Season comes in on Saturday. You know, as you can probably see, it's cloudy but not raining. As we were leading up to the hunt, it looked like it was going to be raining every day, but the Lord definitely helped us out on this one. It looks like we're going to have some good weather. So hopefully we will be bringing you guys some footage from Mississippi. We're going to be hunting for 3 days. So me and good buddy Ben Hobbs, we make this trip annually. So here we go. Turkeys, watch out.
Well, Anthony and them get there and get ready to hunt now, and it's one of them days it's raining already, so about all they do is ride around and do some scouting.
They're planning to do some serious scouting. Was out, so they rode around. They did see some birds from the truck, so they knew where they were going to start out the next morning. You know, they got this bearded hen out in front of them, and they were kind of wishing that Mississippi allowed you to shoot bearded hens, but yeah, they were playing with her calling a little bit, and all of a sudden one hammers right in the wood line.
Show's about to be on.
He's coming. Don't move.
This segment of The Turkeyologist is brought to you by Timbuktu and Fisher's Choice. Lose yourself in the great outdoors. Sinclair Power Sports. Off-road or on the water, we've got you covered.
Welcome back to The Turkeyologist. Anthony and Ben, they have these birds coming up, and I think Anthony's trying to hold Ben off a little bit on shooting this turkey.
Yeah, I don't know how much longer he can hold him off, but I know one thing, Anthony's probably got his eye on that second one.
Better not miss. Let him go, Ben. Let him go. Just shoot one of them total. Let him go. Just wait. Just wait, man. Go ahead. Go. Well, here we go. Opening day here in Mississippi, March 14th, 2015. Hunting with our good friends, Mr. Johnny and Trip Fayard at White Oak Plantation. They have a unbelievable place. I mean, they manage this thing to a T. Accommodations are unbelievable, and I think we're just so thankful and blessed to have an opportunity to come do this. So obviously we weren't planning on doubling up this morning. It's my first double up ever. I was behind the camera. Ben was behind the gun, and it happened so quick this morning. Leading up into today, it was just nasty, rainy. We got up this morning, foggy. We didn't hear anything off the limb. Finally, a hen came in the field. She was around 30-45 minutes. And then all of a sudden to our left, I mean, one just and shook us all up. And they locked into the Jake and came on in. All right, Ben, let's see the birds you got.
Awesome, man.
Let's take a look at them spurs. Separate the spurs a little bit. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me mention.
All right.
Here's Anthony.
Pick them up. Good 3-year-old.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our first episode of The Turkeyologist 2016. We got a lot of good episodes coming to you, and there's other ways you can keep up with us through the week.
Yeah, I mean, there's a ton of ways you can keep up with us. We got a Turkeyologist Facebook page. We got a Combat of the Wild Facebook page, Combat of the Wild website, Turkeyologist website. But the main way is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's where you're going to get all the weekly episodes that we put up. You know, we don't just turkey hunt, we do deer hunting, duck hunting.
A little bit of it all.
You know, we've got 200 something videos on our YouTube page.
So go check us out on YouTube, Combat in the Wild. You'll really enjoy it. Hope to see you next week right here, same time, same channel.
The Turkeyologists are proud to be associated with these fine companies. Tune in next week as the Turkeyologists take some youth hunters after their very first long beard.
Look at the spurs on that joker. That is a toad. That is a toad.